Bonjour. So that was the last glimpse of my old kitchen, which used to be in grey. And as you can see, I started in the corner upstairs with a matte black. So all the grey will change to matte black. Let's see how it goes. A lot quicker than what I thought. So I've done one wall, two wall, and I'm halfway with the third wall, and then there's just the window wall left, and that's very little. It's just the two sides of the window that I must do, and then I'm basically done, and I'm very happy with the result. The matte black actually makes the room look much larger than what it is. So it's really a myth that black will make the room smaller. It actually makes it larger. Right, let's continue. usual, it is still chaos here in the kitchen. The walls have been painted and the skirting boards are done, and in a week's time Patrick and Nadesh will come and help me put in the lino, which is a white and black checkerboard, and that will be the last thing to be done. But before I do that, I need to repaint my kitchen cupboards, because at the moment they were painted with a plain PVA water-based paint, and every time I want to wash the cupboards or whatever, the paint comes off. So I was advised by the gentleman at the hardware store to use this as an undercoat. It's a sukush. You paint this on first, let it dry for 3 hours, and then you can paint with ordinary PVA water-based paint on top of that, and it will never wash off. So that fixes the PVA, almost like an oil-based then. And it's washable, so that's excellent. So I'm going to quickly do that because it has to be done before we put in the liner. That's the undercoat done. Now I have to wait 3 hours for it to dry, and then I can do it with the PVA matte white.